In this tutorial, we'll cover the storage options available on the CS12x Digital Reporting Monitor. The CS12x has two USB ports, and you can record an inspection on two storage devices at the same time. You can use thumb drives, and you can also use high-capacity storage devices like this portable hard drive. A drive like this can store hundreds or even thousands of jobs, depending on its storage capacity and the length of your inspections. When choosing a storage device, make sure it's compatible with the Windows operating system and use a solid-state drive for maximum resistance to mechanical shock and temperature extremes. The storage pocket is deep enough to accommodate most portable hard drives, and you can use Velcro tabs to secure the drive inside the pocket. For additional tutorials on the CS12x and other SeeSnake diagnostic equipment, visit the SeeSnake support website and the Rigid Today YouTube channel. And when you're there, be sure to hit subscribe.